Hi, I'm Jim Euchner, and I'm happy to be teaching a course on managing emerging technologies for IRI's track program. It's a complicated subject, and there are many techniques in use, from technology readiness levels and technology stage gates to using open innovation to find a viable technology. When I think about the management of emerging technologies, I think about it in four categories. Sometimes you're trying to figure out how to exploit a new technology in your business. Sometimes you're trying to use a new technology to meet a known market need. At other times, you're trying to find a technology to satisfy a newly discovered and unmet customer need. And sometimes you're trying to exploit a new technology to create new opportunity spaces. In this course, I'm going to discuss each of these and include examples and techniques you can use and pitfalls. So I hope you'll join me.